by names of Kamoga Juma. I'm coming from Uganda. I came to India for treatment through Vaidam Health Company. They helped me, they picked me from the airport, they booked for me the hotel. It has been very good. My surgeries, actually I had 2 surgeries to be done and they were all successful. And right now I came with a lot of pain, but right now currently I'm very okay. I don't feel any pain. Just in the healing process. I'm waiting for the healing process after a couple of 6 or 1 year. That is when I'll be coming back to India for the doctor's review. And then I can recommend any other person to use Vaidam Health to come to India for good treatment. Thank you very much, Vaidam.